hello. So I'm back in Rome, and as you guys can hear, my voice is gone. It's gone, baby, it's gone. And I don't know, like every single time when I go to Naples, I lose my voice. But I think that's a good thing, right? That means that I enjoy my weekend a little too much, but at least I enjoyed it, right? So yeah, anyways, I got back like an hour ago and I organized my things and I cleaned a bit. Now I need to go to the grocery store because I need to get some groceries. I also need to get some, like veggies, some fruits and all that stuff. And my mom, she was so kind. She made me some fish and some chicken. I like all I have to do is heat them up and eat them with some veggies, and that's a good thing. So that means less cooking. Anyways, and then I need to go to the shopping mall because I have to buy some things that I need. And also in this vlog, we are going to IKEA because I need to buy like a new set of beddings because I only have one and I can't wash that bedding set because I don't have another one to put on. So I will probably go tomorrow because today I'm too tired for that. So yeah, that's the update. And my weekend, it was just so good. I don't even have words for that shit because that, like, I was there Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh, also, as you guys, I don't know if you guys remember, but in my last vlog I told you guys that I want to go to the gym. Did I go to the gym? No, I did not, because mind you guys, all the 3 days I was out, like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and every day I went home around like not Friday, but other 2 days I went home around like 12, 1 a.m. So yeah, the time was like, it's gone. Hope this vlog won't be like a boring one for you guys because all we're gonna do is do grocery shoppings and I'm gonna give you guys hauls and all that. So I hope this won't be boring and you guys will enjoy this. And yeah, let's go. I'm so hungry actually. I need to eat, but I don't want to eat right now. And yeah, let's go. So this is what I'm wearing. My top is from Bershka, jean is from Pull&Bear, and oh, you guys can't see, but I'm wearing my New Balances, and let's go. So I just got back and I went to 3 different places. But the thing is, I went to this shopping mall. As I told you guys, I wanted to buy like some pretty plates, like cute mugs and stuff. But I did not find anything that I like. So maybe tomorrow at IKEA, I'll get something. I'm not sure, but yeah, let me give you guys a quick haul because these are not like very interesting things. So I'm gonna run through these quickly and yeah. So first, from the shopping mall, I got there is this shop called Action. I got all this from there. I got some paper towels. I got hangers again because I have so many clothes that I need to hang. And that's that. And I got this like glass bottle to bring water when I go to the uni. And I got this for cleaning. This is the most random and boring haul ever, and I'm sorry for that, guys. Anyways, then I got chia seeds because I want to make chia pudding and add some fruits onto that and bring that like as breakfast to my university. So that's that. And lastly, from them I got these tortilla wraps so I can make, I don't know, some wraps. Yeah, and from them this is all I got. So we have bananas, bell pepper, we have grape, zucchini, we have broccoli, we have mandarins. So I'm from the grocery store. I got milk and I got 2 yogurts. Like this shit is just so freaking good. And then I got some like green tea, I got couscous, I got crackers, and I got some lentil. I got 2 types of pesto. This one is pistachio and tomatoes, and this one is like the normal one. And then I got some heavy cream, my favorite. As usual, I got some ravioli. I also got some frozen like veggies, 1 sweet potato, and yeah. So now I need to cook, I need to eat, I need to take a shower, and I need to rest because the weekend was so like go, and now I need to rest a bit and I need to study. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so it's Tuesday. I just got back from my lessons and I went to the church on my way home because you know I love going there. And now I need to cook. Like as you guys can see, my hair, it's not hairing. Like look, I need to take a shower, I need to cook, I need to study. And today I supposed to go to the IKEA, but it's so gloomy outside and it's raining, so I don't want to go. So I will not go to the IKEA today. And tomorrow, instead of going today, I thought I'll go tomorrow. But now I also have another thing to do tomorrow, so I will probably go to IKEA on Thursday, I think. I need to go because I need to buy like a new bedding, so I need to go. And yeah, now I need to go, I need to cook. So as for lunch, I was thinking about making black rice with some veggies, proteins and all that. So yeah, let's get, because black rice is very good for your digestive system. So yeah, it takes lots of time to cook black rice, so and that will be like a annoying thing, but at least the product will be good, right? So let's get the cooking started. have black rice, we have bell pepper, and we have some, I think this is pork. And I also brought avocado, so we can make like a cute rice bowl. So my rice and bell pepper, they are still cooking, and I have to wait at least another 20 minutes. I don't know, bro, like every single day I have lunch around 5 p.m, which is not okay, right? And yeah, so in the meantime I thought we could make some chia pudding, because yesterday I bought some chia seeds, so I can make a chia pudding and bring that to my lessons tomorrow. As for the ingredients, this is all we need. Like we need milk, yogurt, and a container, and chia seeds. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a cup like this, like a container, because we have to put this in the fridge overnight. So that's that. And this is the chia seed that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use like 2 tablespoons. I don't know, I'm gonna eyeball all the measurements because I don't know how much. Like I think if you wanna find like the exact numbers and exact measurements, you can find like recipes on TikTok or YouTube, but I'm just gonna eyeball this. So I put like this much. I don't know if this is enough though. Let's see. And I'm gonna use like normal milk. So we're gonna mix. And I think you don't have to like add some yogurt if you don't want to, but for me, I'm a yogurt lover, so I need yogurt, of course. This is just like yogurt, Greek yogurt, like zero fat. And I'm gonna add like plenty. This is so good. And we're gonna mix. You can add like cinnamon powder, or you can add some type of like fruits if you want right now, but I'm gonna add some fruit tomorrow morning. So mix this well, and you can also add like maple syrup and also some, I don't know, there is like different types of syrups, or like vanilla if you want. But and also you can also add like protein powder. You can literally add anything if you want to this. Okay, perfect. And now we are going to put this in the fridge and let it rest for overnight. This is what it looks like. I don't know if my chia seeds are like enough, but we'll figure out that, right? We'll see tomorrow. And yeah, look really crusty. I need to take a shower, but I can't because I'm still cooking, so sad. So my rice bowl, it's ready. So as you guys can see, we have black rice, we have some probably chicken or pork, I have no idea. We have lots of bell pepper and some here we have some ricotta cheese. I wanted to add some avocado, but I think that'll be like too fucking much because this is huge. So let's try this. Let's take a money bite. I hope this tastes good. Cheers. It's buzzing, but the bell peppers, it's too sweet. don't know why. But good, you know. I'm at IKEA, you guys. Guys, I have two options of bedding. I can't choose. I don't know what to get. Let me show you guys. This one is the first one. This is cute. I got this color pillows. Or this one. I kind of like this one too. Like this. I can't decide which one should I get. Like, this is cute. Like this or this. So I decided on getting the pink one. Now I need to find cute plates and cute, maybe a cute mug or something. Let's see. I like these pink ones, also the black and these blues, but I don't know, like this. I like this color. I also have this one and this one. Which one is cuter? This or this? Should we get this one? I think I like this one. Or we have the blue ones too.